I'm Chef Belinda and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make aioli. Aioli is a garlic mayonnaise. And the reason you need to know how to make this is that if you ever run out of mayonnaise, you can make it yourself at home and not have to worry about getting in your car and driving to the supermarket. So let's get started. So what's going to make it even easier to make our aioli, which you can do by hand with a whisk, is we're going to use a little mini food processor. So to our food processor, we're going to add an egg with an egg yolk, about 4 cloves, whole cloves of garlic, and a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. We've added that to our mini prep, and we're gonna just pulse it for a few times. And then with the mini prep still running, we're going to add our olive oil. A little bit at a time. We're going to add to that about a tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh squeezed, and then continue to drizzle the rest of our oil in. At this point, you'll want to just taste it. And we're going to add just a pinch of salt. Now remember, salt is not a seasoning. Salt is a flavor enhancer. So it only will take just a pinch of salt. Pulse it a little bit more until it all comes together. And there you go. Our homemade mayonnaise or our aioli. And this can be used as a spread on sandwiches, or it can be used as a dip. Now, if this did not thicken, one other thing that you can do to speed along the thickening process is to add another egg yolk. But this was perfect. We added 1 whole egg and an egg yolk and our olive oil and our garlic, and it's just the perfect consistency.